How to apply to study in Canada. Step 1. Choose to study in Canada. Step 2. Decide on a course and an institution. Step 3. Check entry requirements for course and visa. Step 4. Apply for the course. Step 5. Receive your letter of offer. Step 6. Receive confirmation of enrollment. Step 7. Apply for your visa. And finally, Step 8. Plan your travel. Axiom offers professional guidance to Bangladeshi students who intend to study in Canada. We'll be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We'll review your academic, professional, and financial circumstances along with your future study and career plans. According to your needs, we'll assist you in seeking a suitable course, place of study, and all other related issues. You'll get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced education advisors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure, etc., until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your education in Canada is as follows. Step-by-step guide apply to Canada. The first step will be attending a counseling session. Attend a counseling session at Axiom for planning and gathering information about your options related to studying in Canada, courses available, and recommended institutions. Now we'll be discussing about language proficiency requirements. We'll discuss eligibility requirements for admission, and we'll also discuss the amount of money required to study in Canada. Next up we have step 2, and that is to register with Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Step 3 will be preparing and appearing for standardized admission tests. Prepare and appear for standardized admission tests and join AGI, Axiom Global Institute, for other related issues to sit for the exams required for the application, such as IELTS, TOEFL, etc. Step 4 will be applying for admission. Once you've decided what and where you want to study, we'll help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice, and that is to prepare application documents and to arrange to send the application fee. At the time of application for admission, you'll be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and, in most cases, proof of your language ability. Now, the common application for the standard documents for study application include photographs, passport, academic certificates, academic transcripts, and medical reports. For Masters and PhD, you may also need reference letters, a statement of purpose, a police clearance certificate, and a resume or a CV. Now, the documents for submission may vary according to schools. It is best that you inquire directly with your Axiom Education Advisor for details. By submitting your application through us, you'll be able to track the progress of your application as we send you automatic notifications of its progress. We also take the hard work out of tracking the applications by keeping in contact with the institutions on your behalf. Step 5. Pay tuition fees. To accept your offer from an education provider, you may pay the tuition fee. Most Canadian institutions require you to pay the first year fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our value-added services department at Axiom Education Advisor can help you arrange either of these payment methods. Please note that tuition fees may be paid before or after the visa application process, which is step 6. Speaking about step 6, that is the next step we'll be in, which is preparing the visa application. Now you're all set to study abroad in Canada, but not sure what to do about your student visa? You've got your heart set on studying in Canada, but before you can embark on that journey, you'll need to get your student visa sorted. The process might seem complicated, but we have broken it down into easy steps. An international student wishing to study in Canada must apply for a visa in person. To lodge your visa application, you'll need to provide the recommended documents specified by the Embassy of Canada in Bangladesh. Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Now, the basic visa application required documents include a passport size photographs, unconditional letter of acceptance, fee receipt which is recommended, a scholarship letter if you have a scholarship applied letter, any relevant correspondence with the institution, financial documents, academic documents, test scores, work experience certificates if you have any, and medical reports if already undertaken. Coming up on next step 7, we have visa outcome. We'll notify you as soon as we know the outcome of your visa application so you can come in and collect your passport. In most cases, this is a positive response, and it means you can also start planning your travel and accommodation for Canada. And finally, we have step 8, getting ready to go. Once you've accepted your place and your visa application is approved, we can help you organize your travel arrangements and advise with sorting out suitable student accommodation to begin your new student life in Canada. Air ticketing, insurance, foreign exchange, and anything else you need can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier. So wait no more. If you're serious about preparing for a study abroad, our expertise can help you get ready and find the right university and course selection, university application, visa application, pre-departure assistance, and accommodation arrangements. Start your application now. More information down in the link below. Thank you for your time with Axiom. Have a good day.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.